Alright guys, so today I'm opening up the engine to replace the piston rings. Alright guys, so I got the rings gapped, and this time they are gapped at the right size with just this file. It took me a lot of time. The precision that I took to file these is amazing. I mean, yeah. My friend Leandro has come to help me, and the battery of my camera has just died, so I'm just gonna charge it up, but I'm still gonna be working on that. So I think I'm just gonna make a time lapse of that. I'm going to be pressing the pistons in using this ring compressor, and I will be doing that for all of them. You're watching this, right? This is the way we do it at home. So satisfying. We're going to push it in. Woo! Woo! Okay, so the ring compressor, when you tie it up, it compresses the rings equally to the pistons. So then when you put it here, and you can just hit the pistons in, so it slides right in. Yes. So you don't have to compress the rings one by one. Yes. It's just easy, and then hitting it in. Alright guys, so I got 3 of the pistons in, just one last one. This is an old school torque wrench, and I will be using this to torque the connecting rods on spec. Alright guys, so the other block is done. I just need to put on the head and hook up the tranny. See, everything is tightened down, everything is torqued to spec. And the balancing shaft are all in precision, so everything is good to go. Alright, so this is the head, and I'm going to be cleaning this up. I got the air compressor out, so I'm just gonna blow out the dust of it and clean this up a little bit, because this is still oily. So yeah, I'm cleaning that up. Oh yeah, and I also need to be getting an engine mount because mine's toast. So I will be getting that. I think I'm going to get that in Kamawena. Alright guys, so I'm at my friend's house now. He has a performance part for my daily. He has a performance exhaust. So just gonna...
Yo, Dano!
Eh, fuck off.
Alles rustig?
Ja toch.
Ach man.
Alright.
Ja man. Hey,
Hi.
booster.
Okay, so
Yeah,
I'm gonna be mounting this guy. Gonna be replacing that. It's pretty rusted out, so
Yeah, a lot.
stock exhaust versus performance exhaust. Also, I also have this race legit induction. So yeah. Alright, so this is Ismael. Ismael owes me money and he can't pay me back.
Here's it.
Right. So tell us what you drive, Ismael.
Stock, full stock. Just kidding. It's 42 board. And nothing special. Stock.
This is the original Japanese Yamaha.
It looked like.
It's not?
Nope.
No. I thought it was.
No, nope.
Alright, so it's like mine. It's
Yep.
like mine. Nice. Alright.
Anyway.
Got the round one. I have the square headlights. This other has the round headlights. No dash.
No dash.
And no key.
This is my key. This is my key. My switch.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
That is
Look.
sleeper status. Nice. Echt nice. Alright guys, so I got my engine done. My underblock is complete. And I also got the head cleaned. I still need to get the engine mounts. I think I will be getting the engine mounts in Kamawena. I think maybe this week. I don't know exactly. So I think I already have everything. I hope I have everything to put the engine in the car, and I will be working on that next week. Not this week. This week is going to be a very busy week. As you can see, I just bought a performance part for my daily, and I will be going with my daily to Tekre, to the Kraneweg for Bodo, and that's due this weekend. So I will be working on it, and the car will be getting its turn next week.